If you're starting print on demand, one of the biggest mistakes you can make is choosing the wrong platform. A lot of persons start off with Shopify and end up paying monthly fees before they know if their design will sell, while others stay with the simple free storefront too long and struggle to build a real brand. So in this video, I'll be comparing Printify Pop Up Store versus Shopify, covering the differences, pros and cons, pricing, and which one makes the most sense for beginners in 2026 and going forward. By the way, I've included links in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up to either platform to get started. Now, let's dive in. Here's a short answer. If you want the fastest free way to test print-on-demand products, start off with Printify Pop Up Store. While on the other hand, if you want full branding, SEO, upsells, email captures, and long-term scale, Shopify wins. And honestly, the best setup for most serious sellers is using both together. What Printify Pop-Up Store actually is. Printify Pop-Up Store is a simple one-page storefront built directly inside Printify. It lets you publish products fast, use Printify checkout, and also avoid monthly store fees and start selling in minutes. You'll be able to test designs quickly. All you need to do is go onto printify.com, and by the way, I've included a link in the pinned comment and description. You'll tap on Get Started for free. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. And all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to tap right where you see Yardman and My Screen. And what you're going to do, you'll tap on Add a New Store. After you have selected Add a New Store, you'll be redirected to this page, and you're just going to select Printify Pop-Up. And just like that, you'll be able to create your store. After you have created your store, you'll be able to add your design. By going over to the left-hand menu option, you can select Catalog, and you'll be able to add your design on numerous products. Once you have done that, you'll be able to upload and release your product and set your price. This is perfect if you're validating a niche, selling to friends, testing social traffic, or launching a side hustle. Now, what is Shopify? Shopify gives you a full e-commerce platform. Instead of just a one-page storefront, you get your own branded website, custom domain, homepage design, and also product collections, SEO pages, blogs, email capture, upsells, and also abandoned cart recovery, in addition, apps and integrations. This is much better for serious long-term brand building. With Shopify, once you have created your account, from there you can choose an app. So you'll go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on apps, then you'll select Shopify App Store. After you have done that, you'll go onto the App Store, and all you'll need to do is simply search Print on Demand. Once you have selected Print on Demand, you can see numerous apps that you can choose from. You can choose to use Printful, Printify. You have numerous options that you can choose from. And as I had stated earlier in the introduction, what a lot of persons tend to do, they tie both platforms. So you'll go onto Shopify, create your account, and then you'll use Printify as the platform that you use to create your print-on-demand products. So you can quickly install Printify, and you can install it for completely free. So that's an option that you can also look into. Now let's talk about the key differences of both platforms. First, starting with Printify. Printify wins when it comes on to speed to launch, as you'll be able to go live in minutes and no store build needed. But if we were to talk about branding, this is where Shopify wins, with full design control, your own domain, and premium feel. And you can see right here an example of a print-on-demand product on Shopify. And if we were to talk about SEO and traffic, Shopify also wins in this department, as you'll be able to create blog posts, SEO pages, collection ranking, and if we were to compare them via startup costs, Printify would win in this department. Now let's break down the pricing. With Printify, you can use the platform for completely free. If it is a case that you like the premium features, you can go onto their paid plan, and it starts off at $39 per month. With Shopify, you'll be able to get started with the link that I've provided for only $1 for the first 3 months. Then from there, you'll pay $25 per month. So if it is a case that your budget is your main concern, Printify is the lower risk starting point, as you'll be able to get started for completely free. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of both platforms, starting with Printify. Starting with the pros. First, free, easiest to launch, no design stress, perfect for validation, and fast social selling, but there are a few pullbacks. For example, limited branding, weak SEO, no blog, and no custom domain, and harder long-term scale. Now let's look at the pros and cons when it comes onto Shopify. First, starting with the pros. Full brand control, best for scaling, strong SEO, huge app ecosystem, best checkout optimization, and the pullbacks are the monthly fee, slight learning curve, and up cost can stack up. So which one should you choose? I would recommend you use Printify Pop Up Store if you're testing ideas, you're on a tiny budget, and you want zero risk POD. While on the other hand, I would recommend you use Shopify if you want a real brand, long-term SEO traffic, email marketing, higher AOV, and also scale. But again, you can incorporate both platforms. For complete beginners, Printify Pop-Up Store is the easiest place to start. But if you already know your niche has potential, Shopify is the better long-term move. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.